am falling! Dad! Help! Look at the new robot! Wow! Can I see it?
It's wonderful, Edward. Not now, Max. We must eat lunch first.
Wow! Wow! Can I play with it? So cool! What does it do? Thank you, Daddy. Yes, Dad. Yeah.
I understand.
Do not climb the cabinet. It is very dangerous.
Okay, Dad, I won't.
Good boy.
I want the robot now. We will make sandwiches.
Good idea. Are the kids hungry?
Yes, they asked. For them, all right, let's get started. I have a good idea. I am a big boy. I can get it. This is a step. No, Max. Wait for Dad. Stop, Max. That is bad. These are magic stairs.
See? It is easy. Triumphant, adventurous orchestral music swells, featuring woodwind and string.
I am very tall now. Max, get down from there, please.
Be careful, sweetie.
Sorry, Dad. I'm coming down. The cabinet is making a scary sound. Almost there. I got it. Help! I am falling! Dad!
That is Mia.
The kids are in danger.
Mom, take Max.
Max, no! Edward, look out!
Don't worry, Mia, I've got you.
Dad, help me! Just hold on, Max.
I am coming!
Come here, Max. You are safe. I'm scared, Mommy.
Almost there.
You can do it, Edward.
Just a little more. Phew, got it.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm sorry, Dad.
It's okay, Max. We learn from mistakes.
It's okay, Max. We're safe.
Shh. It's okay. I'm right here.
Max, what did you do?
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to.
You shouldn't have done that, son. That was dangerous.
I know, Dad.
But I forgive you. Now, let's learn from this together.
Got it, it's secure.
Thank goodness we're okay.
Remember, we always secure heavy items to keep everyone safe. Sorry isn't enough. Tell me now.
I broke the vase.
Go to your room.
lot. I won't do it again, I promise.
You'd better not. Now go to your room.
The cabinet is very heavy, Max. Do not climb on it, please.
It can fall and crush you.
No,
It is extremely dangerous.
no.
That's why we need to be careful, son. I said no. Climbing drawers are not stairs.
I'm sorry, Dad.
You could have been hurt.
What if you fell? I am sorry, I was wrong. I'm sorry, Dad.
It's okay, son. I see you're upset.
I didn't mean to break it.
It's all right. I forgive you. Come here, Max.
Ah! That's it, I've gotcha.
I love you, buddy.
I am strict because I love you.
I know, Daddy.
I am sorry, Dad.
It's okay, Max. I'm here. Good. I want you to be safe and happy.
Okay, Daddy.
I yelled because I was so scared. I do not want you to get hurt.
I understand, Daddy.
Next time if you want something high, what should you do?
Ask you for help.
That's right.
I love you too. I must ask an adult for help.
We love you, Max.
I'm gonna be strong too.
You will be. Here is your robot. Here you go, buddy.
Wow, it's awesome. I love it.
Exactly. Adults are tall and strong.
Yeah, tall like you, Dad.
That's right, buddy. Now, I need to fix this cabinet.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, son. Enjoy it.
Enjoy it.
Almost done. And that should do it. Perfect. 100% safe.
Dad is anchoring the cabinet to the wall. So it will never fall.
Hi, friends. Welcome to our safety class. We're so excited to teach you about safety. We'll show you how to stay safe. Let's get started. Rule 1. Never climb on cabinets or bookshelves.
Rule 2. Drawers are not stairs.
They are heavy and can hurt you. They will make the cabinet fall.
Rule 4. If parents yell, it is because they love you.
Rule 3. Always ask an adult to get high things for you.
Adults are always happy to help.
They just worry about you.
We want you to be safe and happy. Stay safe, everyone.
See you all soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you.
Lesson. No climbing furniture. Ask adults for help.
like and subscribe.